Hey guys, Scott Adams, Adams Equity. Just a couple of quick things. Got a little market update for you about the last 3 or 4 months or so. Kind of a shift going on in the market. You might want to stick around just for a second to take a look at some of these numbers and see if they might affect your decision making when buying or selling a house. Before we get started, a couple of things to take a look at on the website here. There's 2 little buttons. One's to search all available homes in the Metro Atlanta market, and the other one is to get a instant valuation for your property. So feel free to take a look at those, take a look around the site. Lots of good information here, and we'll be back just a second to talk about the current state of the market. Hey, thanks again for tuning in today. Got some numbers this morning. They looked very interesting. As we know, and you can see all over the news, you know, it's like the market's up, the market's hot, inventory is low. Yes, inventory has been low. Matter of fact, in April, it looks like any real estate agent that had a pulse should have been able to sell a house. Now, did they get you the best deal? Did you leave money on the table? Did they negotiate the best possible contract? You know, those are things you need to make sure that you interview multiple agents to ensure that happens. If you want to take a look at our portfolio, interview2.com, we'll take you show you what's our portfolio for our seller clients. Right now, when we go back and review the numbers for versus last year, right now inventory, the number of active properties, number of properties on the market is down 6%. Number of properties pending, properties under contract, is down 15%. However, year to date, the number of sales is up 4.7%. So what that shows us is that, you know, the very January was a little bit soft, but then it got really big, but now it's dying off fairly quickly, with 14.5% currently pending. That's, you know, that's I mean, 14.5% same month this year versus same month last year. So that's a fairly substantial decline. Kind of something to keep your eye on, because we know that on one of my previous videos, I'd gone over the cyclical nature of the market, how it goes through 8-year cycles. Now, obviously, it would probably never come down to where it was before in the 2008, 9, and the 10 and 11, when it was just the bottom of the bottom, because there's stop gaps in place to prevent that from happening. But, you know, just like the stock market, it will tick up and come down. It'll still continue to go up, but you'll hit these little valleys. So depending on your plans, what your decision making is, it may be beneficial to go ahead and, hey, let's take a look at your house now, and let's see if it fits your financial plan now for your financial future, and be better to go ahead and move it now while we're kind of at the top, and it looks like we're coming just over the top of that curve, given the number of actives and number of pendings. I mean, the numbers are really starting to shift. So anyhow, not bad news, just news. Depends on how you use it. I appreciate you tuning in. I'll try to get another video out here quickly about the most recent Fed interest rate hikes, what that did to mortgages, and what we can see coming down the pipeline. Also, if you have a topic you want me to talk about, do some research on, and put out in a video blog, please feel free and send them to me, Scott@adamsequity.com. I look forward to seeing you guys again next time. Take care.